Okay, so this one is again 5. So what we will do, we will draw the 5, not 5 by front one, right? So we'll draw 5.1, and again we will check the height. It's 5, as we can see from here to here it's 5, and then 7.5. so we will do the height 5, and this one 7.5, and this line you can simply at the end just connect from here to here. So you will get our final geometry, what we are aiming for, right? So this is our final geometry, as we can see here. It's very simple. Again, we need to put the dimension. So what we can do, we need to put this dimension, this dimension, this one, and this one, right? So again, you go to the dimension command, not the line, the linear one, because this is linear lines, right? Not with some angle. So we go there, we choose this one 20. Again, we choose this one 5. This one is 7.5, and this one is 5.1. So this is our second geometry. We already finished our second geometry also. Let's go to the second number drawing. In second number drawing, what we are doing, this one is also a line, and also we have some angles. So in this tutorial, like in this one, we will learn how to draw the angle in AutoCAD. So our first start will be from this line, which is 80, and then we will draw this 42 line with 58 angle. So let's do it. Our start is 80 line. We are moving into the right. We will draw a straight line 80 and press enter. Okay, so this is our 80 line. Next one, we have 42 line with 58 angle. So how to draw this one? This one is very easy. You choose the line command, and you just click here, and you just take it to whatever point you want, like this line, this, any point, and you just keep it. Don't press the mouse button again for how can I say drawing the line. You just keep it like this simply, and first you need to put the how can I say angle, how much angle we are giving to it. So for that, you go to your keyboard and you put the less command, as you can see here. See this command, you can see in your keyboard. How to draw this one? You just press shift and you just press the lesser than, like if we have some quantity less than, for example, if we have 1 which is less than 2, if we are representing that one in mathematical, we use this command, right? 1 is less than 2, so this is that same command, like less than. But in keyboard you can like here you can draw by pressing the shift and the same command which is drawn on the keyboard, like this one. So press shift and then less than, and then put 45. I think it's 45, no, 58. It's 58. Okay, so once you do this, you press enter. So now you can see your line is only drawn in, like whatever you take your cursor, mouse cursor, it's drawn only in 58 angle, not like other angle. Next you have to put the dimension, how much length you need to put, right? How much length is this one? For that we need to go to the window command, like here, command window, and we put our length is 42 and press enter. So as we can see, like 42 line with 58 angle you just draw. I will do this tip again because maybe some of you don't understand clearly. So again you go to the line, you click the line and you choose this end, and you just put it like any point, like it's depend on you. It doesn't matter, you just simply put, and now you go to keyboard, you don't need to use your mouse, right? You press shift and less than, it's mean you are putting the angle, right? And you put the 58 angle and you press enter. After that you need to put the length of the line, which is 40, I think 42. So you put 42 and press enter, so you get this line. I hope you guys already understand this one. So next what we need to do, next we have 30 line, which we will draw very easily. Sorry guys, my PC is not good. So okay, so we will put 30 and again you just simply connect to this edge, so you get your third geometry here. Okay, so this is 42, this is 30, and this is 80, and this is 122 angle. Okay, let's draw how to draw the angle in dimension. That one I will teach you. First we will do the linear line, like this one, and this one is 30, and this one is not like linear, this one is align, right? So we will do the align, and for angle you just go and change to angle. As we can see here, it's degrees, so you guys can go and choose this angle, right? So from here you can easily just click this line and this line and you will get the degree. Again you go here and this line and this line and you will get degree. So again in this case, as our dimension is very small, we can't see it that much clearly, so we go to again that DIMSTY. Guys, just remember this command, it's very how can I say, important and very useful. DIMSTY. You just search, you go here, you modify, and you go to only text and symbol and arrows, not other command you need to change. You need to change only text, which is 3. We will put like 1, and this one we will also put 1. And now you can see the dimension a little bit clear, right? So this was our third, how can I say, third figure, third geometry. And the next one we will do is this one, which is drawing number 3. This one is more interesting, like it has some circle and some lines, so this will be more interesting.